Black spots on your ceiling, a strange smell in your walls. You just discovered mold, and the damage could be dangerous and expensive, so you check your home insurance. But is mold actually covered? In this video, I'll break down when your home insurance will pay for mold removal and when you're totally on your own. Welcome to Home Insurance Explained. Subscribe for clear, no nonsense answers to your biggest home insurance questions. Mold damage refers to the deterioration of parts of your home caused by mold growth. It can eat away at drywall, floors, insulation, even the air you breathe. It usually starts with excess moisture, like from leaks, poor ventilation, or flooding. Here's the short answer. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If the mold is the result of a sudden and accidental problem like a burst pipe or a covered water leak, your home insurance may cover the cost of mold remediation. But if it's caused by long-term neglect, humidity, or poor maintenance, it's usually not covered. Let's say your water heater explodes and floods the basement. If mold forms after that, your insurer might pay for cleanup. But if mold develops over months from a leaky roof you ignored, that's on you. Want to protect yourself? Here's what to do. Fix leaks immediately. Keep humidity low with proper ventilation. Document everything if you find mold. Read your policy closely. Some even allow you to add mold endorsements for extra protection. Mold damage can sneak up on any homeowner. But now you know the difference between what's covered and what's not. Before mold becomes a nightmare, check your policy, stay proactive, and consider adding extra coverage if needed. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe, and comment below with your questions or insurance horror stories. I reply to everyone.